Welcome back to Low Buck Builds. I just want to do a quick update video because there's been a lot of changes on the channel. Well, I'll start with the obvious. I say out with the old and in with the new, so we'll start with the old. Um, as you can see, the old Jeep is not here anymore. It is gone. We pretty much got it to run. I didn't want to spend $120 on a new carburetor for it just to put it around the yard. And unfortunately, I don't make money off these videos, so it just wasn't worth it just to get 10 minutes of film. So unfortunately, that is gone. Actually, it was a buddy of mine bought it back. He had it in the past, and I sold it to him at cost because that's what friends do. Also, you'll notice the F-250 is gone. I ended up trading it for the Jeep. You can see it back there in the background. That's going to be a new project. I'm getting ready to wheel it in here and start working on the intake manifold, which will be the next video that comes out. I ended up parting ways with the F-250 just because I did everything that I needed a big truck for. The videos weren't very popular. We got some cool, we ended up getting some good bodywork videos out of it, but I think it'll be more interesting content for you guys with the Jeep. We'll do some upgrades and take it out and do some upgrades and take it out. And I think they'll be a lot more popular. I'm also planning on doing an upcoming project series on flipping cars. And right now I'm currently looking for a new one, and I'm going to show what it costs and how much we make and so on. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned because that's going to be coming up as well. So anyway, I just want to give you guys a quick update what's going on with the channels. I know I usually put out 2 videos a week, and this week I haven't. Like I said, the next video will be doing an exhaust manifold and a tune-up on the Jeep. So stay tuned for that. It'll probably be out Monday or Tuesday night. And let's rock on. All right, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, help out the channel. And I'll see you next time.